Ontario old age benefit. Because Ontario made a law over the age of 65 old age benefit. Once you're gonna cross over the age of 65, you're gonna get old age benefit, right? My mother never ever work in Canada. My mother never ever work in Canada. She is taking a benefit because she is over the age of 65. Under the age of 65, people are not taking benefit. So what do you think? Ontario government is making a discrimination on what ground?
Age.
Age is age. Section 15. Age is a listed ground. Section 15. Age is a listed ground. So you're gonna write there are two rules of age. One is based on listed ground or based on analogous. Do not write. Do not write. Just try to understand. Okay. Just try to understand. You're gonna establish section 15. You're gonna establish section 15. Age is a listed ground. Okay. I was being discriminated under the age of 65. Okay. I'm being discriminated. Right. Then who is being discriminated? I am being discriminated under the listed ground based on age. If you're gonna write only listed ground, you will not gonna get marks. Listed on what ground? Religion, age, sex, age. 15 subsection 1 is justified. I am being discriminated.
Sorry to interrupt. May I just get it repeated so that I can understand it?
If you will write everything, you will not gonna understand, honestly.
No, I wasn't writing. This just line which you said at the.
If you are trying to, if you are okay, you not write, but you do not want to clear the concept. Okay, what do you want to write?
I don't want to write actually. Why I was writing is just that line, you know, age is a listed ground, but you said don't write it that way. Don't, like, if you write it this way as a listed ground based on this thing, then you won't get the answer, right answer. So that's the thing.
Okay. Okay. Just
based because we're being discriminated under listed ground age because we're disadvantaged because we're not getting pension under the age of 65.
Under the age of 65. I'm being discriminated.
Yes.
Okay, wordings are here. You can write on your own. If you will not gonna clear the concept, honestly, if you focus on just writing, keep writing, you are not listening, just pick up my small words. That's why I'm keep repeating, just because of try to understand the concept.
So pause, right?
Yeah.
You know how we did not this question that we're dealing with right now with the age of 65? But remember the one where we did the graffiti and it was between 20 and 30, right?
Again age,
right?
Yeah.
People, so they use 25 as the cutoff age.
Yes, yes.
So how would you put that here? Like, how would you?
So even I didn't even start.
Okay.
Let me finish, right?
All right.
So first focus, my friend. I need your eye contact, please. I need your, it's very important. I know I'm taking too much time, right?
No, it's fine.
We're learning.
You're learning seriously?
Yes. We are enjoying it.
No, it's fine, sir. We need proper clarity of the subject.
Yeah, so clarity is very important. Do not, you can watch my video later on, but seriously, clear the concept. My mother is taking benefit under the Ontario old age benefit. I'm not taking benefit. 15 subsection 1. Just if you do not write whatever I'm saying, just I'm trying to explain you. Oh, Aamer Chaudhry, do not write. Please do not write. Please. Aamer Chaudhry right is going to be infringed because of on listed ground. He is under the age of 65 or he is being discriminated. He is not taking benefit. He is being disadvantaged. He's because he is not taking benefit. 15 subsection 1 is justified. Now 15 subsection 2 jump into prosecutor room. Fundamental justice is a prosecutor room. 15 subsection 2 is prosecutor room. What is prosecutor room? 15 subsection 2. The R versus cap. There was a rule of R versus cap. Whether program has a remedial purpose. First step, whether program, Ontario government program, whether program has a remedial purpose. First step, rule, cut, copy, paste. The second is program target a disadvantaged group. Jump into prosecutor room. Computer guys, I need your eye contact. 15 subsection 1. Who am I? I am being discriminated. Sir, I am being discriminated. 15 subsection 1. Prosecutor, jump into 15 subsection 2. So what is the rule of 15 subsection 2 for prosecutor? Program, Ontario government program. Over the age of 65, you are giving the benefit. Under the age of 65, you are not giving the benefit. Your program has a remedial purpose. First issue, no. If no, law would be struck down. I would also have a benefit, or she wouldn't have a benefit. Law would be struck down. If according to your opinion, you made a law. Man, you are a prosecutor. You made a law. Why did you make a law? Why did you make a law?
Protect those, give it advantage to those.
Whether, that's what I'm saying. Just tell me whether your program has a remedial purpose. Who is a remedy? Who is taking benefit? My mother is taking benefit. Program has a remedial purpose, remedy for those who are over the age of 65. Remedy, because they are older people. Remedies to improve their condition. That's why, right? Same as sufficient important objective. But question is, program has a remedial purpose. Yes, remedial ameliorative purpose. I don't know what's called.
First time I've seen that word.
This one.
Ameliorative?
Ameliorative is very Punjabi people always okay. Whether program has a remedial purpose, remedy for those who are taking benefit. The second room is program. Thus, rule number 2, program target a disadvantaged group. Program target a disadvantaged group which is identified by whether listed or analogous ground. Rule is cut. Program of the Ontario program has whether program has a disadvantage, whether program target a disadvantaged group identified by enumerated or analogous ground. Now you are bound by the rule. What is the rule of Mr. Prosecutor? 15 subsection 2. Program has a remedial purpose. You're gonna say yes, program has a remedial purpose. Remedies for those who are older people. The next step, program target a disadvantaged people. Who is disadvantaged?
Below 65.
Over the age of 65, they are disadvantaged group. Based on age, they are older people. They cannot work. They cannot work. To improve the condition of the older people, the program, being a prosecutor, sir, I'm a Ontario prosecutor. Our program target a disadvantaged group who are over the age of 65. These are disadvantaged group by reason of age. After the age of 65, people are getting older. We are targeting to those people who are just to improve their condition. They should be sufficient, independent. That's why we are helping those people. It means law would be safe or law would not be safe. Law would be safe. Exact wording. See, focus or objective of the 15 subsection 2 is on enabling government to proactively combat discrimination as by developing program aimed at helping disadvantaged group who are over the age of 65, which is a listed ground, okay, because they are older people, to improve their condition. Law would be, it's very sufficient important objective, right? Matter is over. 15 subsection 2 is law is justified. Again, we have to go into section 1 analysis. If you will not gonna go into section 1 analysis, you're gonna lose 10 marks clearly.
So, sir, 15 subsection 2 has only two things. Program has remedial steps and it is targeting disadvantaged groups, right?
Yes. Who is taking a benefit?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Last one thing. I'm telling you seriously, section 7, fundamental justice, then section 1. You're gonna lose 10 marks. After my class, you're gonna save 10 marks. Section 15, listed analogous ground. section 15